Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple dinner, omelette with onion oil. So I have 5 chicken eggs, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried onions, 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions, 4 tablespoons of onion oil, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of ground pepper. So ingredients are ready here, and I'm going to start off with cracking the eggs. Cracking the eggs, right? I like to crack it one by one on the other bowl first, just to make sure that the eggs are fresh, not spoiled, and to mix it in the bowl. See? All the 5 eggs are very nice and fresh. So I'm going to put in all the ingredients. So I'm going to put in all the salt, all the pepper, half of the onion oil, 2 tablespoons of onion oil in here, and I'm going to beat the eggs. So I just beat the egg like that, and then put in the spring onions. Just lightly mix them. Alright, egg is ready. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, and I'm going to put in the balance of the onion oil. Once oil is getting hot, and I'm going to put in the egg. Once put in the egg, just stir it. This is advisable if you can use the non-stick pan, because the egg seem to get stuck at the bottom of the pan if you use a normal pan. Just keep stirring until the egg form up. This is just like how we make the scrambled egg. When egg started to clump together, and you just want to form up the size, how thick that you want. Let's say if I want it very thick, I just do like that. Turn it. So when the egg it becomes the size that you want, you can just flip. So just gonna keep flipping like that, and continue to cook until the egg is completely cooked inside out. It won't take long, because when we're stirring that the egg is already started to cook, but I just want to make it like golden brown. See? Every time you make omelette, it always very flat and round. So this time I wanted to make it thicker. We can control the shape of the eggs. So I'm going to just leave it to cook here for about 10 seconds more, and just switch off the heat. Alright, now we switch off the heat. Egg is best to serve immediately once it's cooked. And remember that we have crispy fried onions here. So we're just going to put over it. And if you still have some spring onions, you can just put it over. Very simple omelette that is very nice and tasty. Can you see the thickness of the egg? Look at that. Now we're gonna try it with rice. Oh. Look at that. Just take a bit of spring onions and shallots, fried shallots. Wow, it's very delicious. Egg is very tasty, very nice fragrance of fried shallots and the onion oil. And the texture of the eggs is perfect. Really good. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.